Here's what's making headlines in cannabis today. Cannex Capital Holding Inc. reported its financial results for its fourth quarter of fiscal 2019 ended April 30th. Loss for the current period was $48 million. Most of the loss in the current period was attributable to a change in the fair value of derivative liability associated with the $32 million Gotham Green secured convertible note financing, which occurred in November 2018. Adjusted EBITDA for Q4 2019 was a loss of $631,000 as compared to positive adjusted EBITDA of $1,911,434 in the comparative period. Revenues were $3.8 million in Q4 2019 compared to $4 million for the 4-month comparative period. Blissco Cannabis reported financial results for the first quarter and 3 months ended April 30th, 2019. During the 3 months period ended April 30th, the company incurred a net loss of $1.24 million or 1 cent per share as compared to a net loss of $2.5 million or 6 cents a share for the comparative 3 months period ended April 30th, 2018. Blissco recorded sales revenue of $742,000 during the 3-month period. Invictus MD Strategies Corp. Reported financial results for the first quarter ended April 30th, 2019. Net loss was $4.6 million in the first quarter, a decrease of 68% from the prior quarter. Revenue was $1.6 million in the first quarter, an increase of 35% from the prior quarter. Hempco Food and Fiber Inc. has signed a definitive agreement with Aurora Cannabis Inc. for the acquisition of the remaining interest in Hempco Food and Fiber. Aurora has agreed to acquire all of the issued and outstanding common shares of Hempco not already owned in exchange for common shares of Aurora. Aurora currently owns 51.4% of the issued and outstanding Hempco common shares on an undiluted basis. Aurora will issue approximately 0.08659 Aurora shares in exchange for each Hempco share not already owned by Aurora. Hempco shareholders will not receive any cash in the transaction. iAnthus Capital Holdings Inc. announced that its U.S. subsidiary has closed the previously announced acquisition of CBD for Life, a national CBD brand in the U.S. iAnthus acquired 100% of the assets of CBD for Life for $10.4 million, consisting of 2.45 million common shares of iAnthus and repayment of the outstanding debt and certain liabilities of CBD for Life in the amount of approximately $2.4 million in cash. Tilt Holdings Inc. announced that its shares have been included on the Horizons US Marijuana Index ETF. And that's your cannabis pot stock news for today. Happy Canada Day, everybody.